Hello, my good and wonderful people. The wars have happened again, oh my people. No be small matter. Oh. Bride and groom turn RIP day after they do their white wedding for inside Africa, my people. I come across this video for social media. Now I say make I quickly talk about am when I see the write-up. Say the bride and the groom turn RIP a day after they do their wedding. Say dem chop oturumakikpo. Dem chop oturumakikpo wey their friend put for inside food for dem, my people. Dem say na jealous, curious friend, na so dem take write am, my people. Beware of friends. So una wey still dey pack friends dey waka, wey e talk say this one na my bestie, this one na my bestie. Carry your ear come here, come sit down near me, make you come hear wetin dey for inside town. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depends on the time you guys are watching me from. How are you all doing, guys? I hope you are doing great. Happy New Year, as I earlier said. My people, the worst don't happen. This beautiful bride wey una dey see so, now e get this RIP. Now she be this, my people, where e turn RIP just a day after her wedding. Now she be this when they rush and they go hospital. She can't dey on oxygen, but she could not make it. She and her husband. My people, waiting they happen because of what? Because of money. They don't turn a lot of people to RIP for this world, my people. Who to trust? Sometimes your parents, you cannot even trust them. Your siblings, you cannot even trust them. Talk less the all say when you jump for ring road, you cannot even trust them. And sometimes you no fit keep something to yourself because I never see person wey go just say he keep something to himself. Never. Because if the joy too much for inside your body, you go like to burst am out. My people, come see wetin friends they do to friends. So come see wetin friends they do to friends, my people. Haba. Wetin dey happen everywhere? Saga. See wetin friends do to your friends immediately they finish wedding finish. Hey, especially those wey dey follow their friend dey go honeymoon. Bride and groom, open your eye. After they chop this delicacy, oh my God, they no know where they dey again. Imagine your best friend go follow you go honeymoon, or you come dey tell your best friend about how your husband take care of una. Una better be careful. Oh. Be careful, my people. You people should be careful. Open your eye. Oh. It's not all that glitter that are gold, yo. It's not all that glitter that are gold. You see the way they take bite for inside the food. Now just little one pere, now they bite. Before you know their belly don't begin they do. It don't they do who they run kitty, who they run kata for inside their belly. Now so they take rush this husband and wife go hospital. Before they reach, my people, the man don't meme, the woman don't meme. All because of bad friend. All because of bad friend, my people. Bad friend full everywhere. As I tell you now, so this picture when they see so now their burial ceremony now be this. Imagine people where they follow happy yesterday. Now they come to bury the next day. Oh my shit. Oh my shit, as the people see they talk am. My people, make una open una eye. Not be everything una go they talk. Come on, this one supposed to don't give una sense. YouTubers they talk, presenters they talk. A lot of people they talk. Beware of friends. I know say it is sweet if they narrate the story, give your friend, but hide some. Keep some. Now the truth I tell you now. Keep some, my people, keep some. Not be all matter you go the nyana pata for outside. The way your husband say good to you, hide down. I hope my kakawata here my people. The word is W. God, this one shocked me. I say, what? What thing really happened? How these parents want to experience? I don't know as I want to talk. Guys, how you now want make them feel? Oh my God. I shed tears when I hear this news. I say, God, which kind palaba be this? Which kind wahala be this? Wetin dey sup? Wetin dey shele? Wetin these people do, even to the if they even do anything, must you just buy the two people at once? Abi you no know say na the two of them wan yarn the food? My people, they say yawa don gas so egbe don throw away wrapper o. Different bad news everywhere. Thank God for all this internet. If not, a lot of people for no dey hear wetin dey happen for inside the world. Abeg, before I go continue with this story or leave the video for una make una watch the full episode, make I hear the full house first. Abeg, if you are just watching for the very first time, you are highly welcome. Please, after watching, subscribe and on your notification bell so that anytime I do upload, you'll be the first to be notified that I just uploaded a new video. By doing so, God bless you. To my new subscriber, you all are highly welcome. And to my returnees, may God bless you. And so we see the matter with the trend for social media, my people. Now I say make I carry the matter, come knock am for on a table, say, see wetin dey sup o. Say, bad friend don't turn him own friend to RIP just because say she quit marry, she never marry. Because according to the video wey I wan release give una, na French dey take talk for inside. I come ask my friend wey e dey speak French, so now I come translate small give me for inside. Now I come say okay, make I out of the small wey translate, make I still give una. Say na pure jealousy. Say because say a friend husband too rich. Make una put una ear for ground yo. Say a friend husband too rich. And the girl na no dey use am make no dey let person hear word. Benin dey talk and say if your yam white, cover am, make dem no pour sand for your garri. My people. Na so the palava take happen o. Na so the gbege take start o. The girl begin dey tell people say, if you see my husband, he's a nice person. He can buy me this. He can buy me that. Now the man be this yo. Now the husband yo. The real husband wey the girl you marry. They marry yesterday. They turn RIP the next day. I be this. It don't pay me say the two of them just waka like that. Men and women, please, if your yam dey white, cover am make dem no put sand. Because now out of talky, I trust this my friend. You don't know what your friends they pass through, depressed and everything. Jealousy, they don't tell a person they jealous you. You not go know. If the spirit of jealousy, they the life of your friend, you will never can tell, you never can know. You never can know. You hear the English, you never can know. Oh my God. I pity for these people, my God. Wetin this world they turn into? Wetin they turn into? Wetin we can't dey kpai ourselves for now? Nothing. Wetin people can't dey kpai themselves for? Nothing, my people. According to the person who read them for me, listen to the voice record for French. He said the girl they okay. Oh my God, if you see her, you go to know say she's cute and she's okay. Say the guy they pump her with money. The guy they take care of her 247. That is the girl come from a poor home, but the guy ready to turn her to queen. You understand? But as a friend, she can't go to tell her own friend, say, now only you want to tell since when I met this guy, the guy don't change my life. The guy don't do this, that, buy house, buy for my mama, buy this one. Not knowing, say, the heart of men is desperately wicked. May God expose all our evil friend, pretending friend, in the mighty name of Jesus. Amen. Any friend will come to pretend follow you just to gain something from you. May Almighty God expose that friend. Now, so we see the matter, oh my people. Now, so the matter is up, oh. As now they see and so for this picture, this undertaking, now her very grand, they go so they want to put the woman for rest. She and her husband. That one have to fear kwana. That one are women now abomination. Person we just do marry a few days ago. The next thing, now she they come they carry, they go eat. I beg, friends make una wise. Because of friends no good, they go pretend, but they go pretend. You know go know what's in their minds. You can never tell of wetin dey their mind. You go feel say you jam better friend. Fa. You never see anybody, because they say your best friend can be your worst enemy. You understand? Now this video where I want give una so, now I tell no say best friend can be your worst enemy. Imagine the woman follow them go honeymoon, and some women, if your husband they talk, or some men, if your wife they talk, say, I know you like this person, my spirit not catch am. Ajo tori alone, make una they believe, make una they believe yo. This one are the 4 friends, but the one where they mark for inside, now be the oloju kokoro, wey be one reap where it did not sow. God created us with different things, but not with person property. My people, see wahala for inside wahala. I shock when I come across this video. Now I can't listen to it. I can't send it to my French person. Say, hey Joe, wetin dey happen for here? Wetin really play? Because they speak French. I don't understand. C'est pas bon, c'est pas beau, c'est pas bien, mais c'est pas bien. I don't understand that. I beg you, feel explain and give me. Now she come dey explain and give me. Say, c'est pas bien, c'est pas bon, c'est pas Jew and all those one. I shock. I can't say, You get one video when I watch for telly, how the husband take dey no small for inside in cafe. So lucky. The woman can't notice and say, after he don't take this thing, in they always dey doze, wetin dey happen. And when they can't catch the man have been doing it for more than decade. You no wan give am the one way go york by and so be to small, slow and steady win the race. The woman can't notice am. Anytime the man take bring the tea come, the woman no would like to drink, but you go request for the man because the woman can't dey sick. Go just say, this my husband, this my until the woman can't notice and can't go set camera and I can't take catch your husband say, anytime with the husband will just come, boy, cafe, you want coffee? The man they put something. You understand? Now waiting they take by this lady with her husband. They no even buy one, make them leave one. You just vow say, as far as say you they use that your husband till they do shakara for me, you know we'll see and they do shakara in the end. May we see our husband take do shakara till the end, yo, amio. May we see our husband take do shakara till the end, amio. May we see our family to take do shakara to the end, ami. May God drive away bad, evil friends, especially friends where they jealous when progress they come your way. As Yoruba people talk, as they open their mouth, they shout, egba mi o, ewo lo dey. See am. And when the woman they no and put for inside, he drink na be this one. So please, I don't first talk for one video many years ago. Say, I beg you, if your guy na the type of person where they drink, you want go peace, you follow on day party, I beg hold the drink for her. Hold you can't be not to say now we. Egbaya okpai, eko wunga. Now the same body we get you, but the mind are deeper and deeper and deeper. So don't leave any drink for grants. You understand? Don't try them. So my people, I beg me gonna help me share this video. Make this video go viral as our brother talk am. Help me share this video. Make the video go viral. So as you do so, God go bless you. I feel pain for this family, and may we never encounter evil and bad friend, jealousy friend. May evil and bad jealousy friend be far away from us. So you understand? It's not easy at all. May God protect his own children and guide us through. And so I see the matter for today, my lovely country people. So I go leave una make una watch the full episode of today video. How do your video say happen? So na French. So if you know they hear c'est pas bon, c'est pas bien, c'est pas bonjour, c'est pas ça va, look for French person. Or maybe the one way I explain give you in a correct way. Look for French person. Or if you the translator for Google, they will explain every details to you. So now so we see the video, my people, may their soul rest in perfect peace. I beg not be everything where your husband do for you, or where your papa do for you, where your mama do for you, where your husband or your wife do for you, you go they relate to outside. I know say sometimes it a pain that is, you know, if you hide the whole matter, you understand? You would like to speak it out. I beg, try to be reserved, especially those Kokoko area. You understand? The world people know they happy say, make me and you better. You don't say where that name come from. Itendo, you understand? I too like that name, Eyagbon. Eyagbon Nagbama. Nobody they happy say you progress, me progress. Now let them go they progress. Anything where you talk, tell them. Say, now you can't they do now. Bitterness, bitter leaf.
Des familles endeuillées, des vies brisées, des destins stoppés brutalement à fleur de l'âge. Voici une nouvelle méthode de jalousie de plusieurs aigris qui se traduit dans les tueries en série d'un benguiste. Cette jeune dame, sur des images amateurs que nous avons recueillies sur la toile, a été, selon plusieurs témoignages, précipitée au séjour des morts quelques jours après son mariage. D'après les récits concordants de ses proches, elle a quitté le pays de l'oncle Sam pour devenir une madame. Malheureusement pour elle, c'était sans compter avec les aigris du pays. La thèse d'un empoisonnement selon les médecins légistes a été la plus plausible. Une mauvaise nouvelle qui laisse matière à se demander qui a osé lui porter le coup fatal en introduisant le poison, soit dans sa nourriture, soit dans sa boisson. Qu'est-ce qui les a autant énervés sur elle? Sa beauté, son argent, son mari, ou tout simplement, comme on dit au pays, le mal pour le mal. Qui a osé porter une telle ignominie dans sa famille et pris le risque qu'une telle cruauté puisse devenir une malédiction générationnelle? Elle a pourtant, comme plusieurs benguistes, donné à manger et à boire à plusieurs affamés de son entourage, qui ont fini par la diffamer jusqu'à l'enterrer. C'est une longue liste de tueurs à la fiole d'un benguiste qui persiste dans notre pays. Le poison a remplacé le poisson dans les plats et les glaçons dans les verres. Les aigris se baladent désormais avec, comme on dit chez nous, la ratachop d'ail dans leur poche. Les benguistes qu'on était censés raccompagner à l'aéroport sont conduits à l'aéromorgue. Ils nous ont pourtant farotés en euros. Nous sommes devenus, nous les sans-boulots, leurs bourreaux. Ils nous ont permis de nous coucher sur des fauteuils en cuir. Nous avons décidé de les faire dormir dans les cercueils. Ils nous ont offert des parfums et ils sont devenus nos défunts. Ils nous ont fait goûter au caviar. Nous leur avons montré l'intérieur des corbillards. Que leur reprochons-nous exactement? Nous les voyageurs de nuit qui n'avons jamais vu à quoi ressemble un aéroport. Nous qui voyageons toujours dans les airs sans jamais prendre l'hélicoptère. Toujours en train de se plaindre mais sans nous pendre définitivement. La terre commence vraiment à être pleine de païens qui ont des comportements de gamins, on dirait des descendants de Caïn. Ils sont pourtant venus avec plein de bonté. Notre joie effrontée leur a servi la cruauté. Il est peut-être temps que dans les mariages, que les seuls invités soient les couples mariés officiellement. Les gens qui font semblant d'applaudir les mariés avec leurs faux youyou doivent désormais laisser. Continuez à gérer vos frustrations avec le vieux Médé arresté et à Mehdi de mes voisins de 12 ans sans bénéfice. Les benguistes, vous aussi, notamment les filles, arrêtez de marcher avec des copines du pays qui boivent le kitoko et qui ont pour seule ambition regarder Novelas dans une télé à tube. Dans les chambres parfois sans courant, enceintes de leur 7e enfant, dont le nom du père n'est pas encore officiellement connu. Des gens qui passent le temps à commenter les richesses des autres et dire qu'elles sont conjuguées au passé compliqué et au présent qui n'est pas simple. alors que leur état de pauvreté elle-même est dans un passé compliqué et raté, dans un présent de l'inactif et dans un futur toujours inférieur. La jalousie en Afrique est devenue une filière qu'on étudie à l'université des bras croisés, à l'école qu'on qualifierait d'anormale, des partisans du moindre effort, et à la faculté des joueurs de Ndjangi et de Bali Bali, et des filles du Ndjangsan qui ont du mal à s'acheter même les feralgans. Stop à la tuerie par empoisonnement de nos benguistes.
Matafusi wontraze, sanera dewa mafa.